Yeah, we are going to take a look into the table and the features of the enchanting table. As you can see, there are some different options like sacrifice, convert materials, enchant, augment, disenchant and upgrade, while upgrade means upgrading the table itself. So first, if you're going to sacrifice, you can see you can sacrifice a ton of trophies that you gathered while playing. You can also sacrifice enchanted weapons or armor. And for example, if I'm going to sacrifice one of these logs trophies, it gives me one epic shard. So now this is important because you can convert materials. You can convert materials like I can make 1 rare dust and it consumes 5 blue dust. I can also convert shards. The one that I just got, the epic one, I can do to epic dust and it needs 2 shards and 3 gold. But I can also salvage junk, and now you see there's a bunch of gold what I can get here. So if I check this one, it burns one of the burnstone. It burns one of the pearl, 1 ruby, 1 necklace, and so on. You can also see that I can make 246 skeleton trophies and 30 troll trophies and circling trophies. So if I click on the skeleton trophies, you see it needs bones. So all the bones that we gathered in this game, so far I made trophies out of them. Also with the troll hides, you can also do grey dwarfs with the eyes. So all the passive farms I posted in videos before, you can gather the resources and make trophies out of them. So if I, for example, I'm going to make a grey dwarf trophy, I can sacrifice the trophy after. This is the one I made. And it gives him magic shard. So I can convert materials that I farmed to trophies, disenchant the trophies to shards, and then convert the shards to some different material, or convert the shards to even higher shards. I need 5 blue stars, so a bunch of grey dwarf trophies that I need to craft and sacrifice to get 1 yellow shard. But after I got 1 yellow shard, I can upgrade with 5 yellow shards to epic shards and so on. So the more you farm, the more stuff you get to disenchant or enchant stuff. Enchanting works easy. You kind of click on the item that you want to have enchanted, then you see the chances of how many effects you can get, and the higher the quality, the higher are the minimum effects that you get on the item. Also, if you take a look, like for example here's armor, it gives you 1 to 6%, so it's random, it's a chance. If you go quality higher, there's armor 3 to 9. If you go to the highest, there's armor 12 to 18%. So it's not only more effects, even the effects are getting stronger. Okay? Argument is if you have enchanted an item, and for example this is a tank item, tank helmet, and it has Aether on it, and Aether maybe is not used for tanks, so there's an option where you can see available effects that this Aether can be replaced with. So let's try our luck. And we see we can keep Aether, or we can choose one of the others that we would like to have on it. The first augmentation is pretty cheap. If you try to augment another slot, it gets more and more expensive. so be careful with this. Disenchant removes all enchants from an item. That's needed because sometimes you craft a very rare item which costs a lot of materials, and you not just can craft a new one by sacrificing it. So it is enchanted and enchant it over and over again till you eventually get enchant you want. Boss trophies, like the Elder Trophy here, gives runestones. Boss trophies are the only ones that give runestones. The higher the boss, the higher the runestones you get. Not even stuff from raids is getting runestones. The stuff you want is the legendary runestone. You can also upgrade the rare to epic, epic to legendary, and so on. So that's why we kill bosses. We need the trophies. Well, I think that's about it. Hope you learned something new. Have fun.